Hey, what's up? It's Philip from Easy Tutorials, and today I will show you how to write in a Google Docs by speaking to your microphone. It's very simple. All you need to do is to go to Tools and click Voice Typing. Over here, choose the language, for example, English, and click to speak. Google will ask you to allow microphone to make changes, so click Allow. And now if I speak into my microphone, the Google will type in. If you have a problem and your microphone is not recorded, make sure to go over here that says this page is accessing your microphone, and make sure that this continue allowing microphone to access your Google to access your microphone, and make sure to choose your microphone over here. And if I now click the microphone, I can freely speak to my microphone, and you can see the text that is drawn on my Google Docs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. When you're done, just click the microphone and now fix errors that you have in your Google Docs. And this is it. If you find this helpful, let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.